choosing the wrong tennis racket can completely throw off your game. Too much power and you lose control. Too stiff and every off-center hit sends a shock through your arm. The truth is, a lot of players end up using rackets that don't match their skill level or playing style, and that mistake can cost you progress, confidence, and money. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best tennis rackets available right now, including one that delivers pro-level precision without needing pro-level skills. Whether you're looking for more spin, better feel, or just more consistency on the court, there's something here for you. You'll find links and the latest deals in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. The Babolat Pure Drive is not only a tennis racket, it is an example of a piece of equipment that has subtly influenced the development of contemporary tennis gameplay. From the beginner to the professional, this racket is recognized for offering a sensation that no player can overlook when making his/her first stroke: effortless power. From the very first time a person picks up the Pure Drive racket and strikes a ball, he/she will instantly feel at ease. The reaction on impact will be instantaneous. The ball will travel faster, farther, and with little effort. In essence, the Pure Drive is designed on the principles of a rigid frame and an open string pattern to offer you explosive power and easy spin capabilities. From the baseline to an aggressive shot, this racket offers a little more power, but not enough to make it difficult to control. It has a sharp and responsive touch. In some cases, people have even referred to it as lively. This means that you get immediate feedback when hitting the ball. It does not give you too much cushion or deadness, but rather sharp responsiveness. Spin is yet another aspect that makes the Pure Drive stand out. The open string pattern enables the ball to stick and let go easily, making it easy for you to produce spin without having to put much effort into it. Number 2. The Tecnifibre TF-Fight 305 Isoflex is not one of those tennis rackets which are going to take you in from the very first minute. In order to appreciate its performance, you're expected to give it some time, as it requires a certain skill and practice. Those tennis players who wish to have more than just speed and spin will find this racket a perfect choice for them. Right from the beginning, you will be able to feel the difference which separates this racket from other tennis ones. First of all, there is a great stability and control in the performance of the racket, which allows making the game much more accurate and precise. The core principle of the T-Fight 305 Isoflex model lies in the control-focused structure with the 98 square inch head size and 16 by 19 string pattern. The racket does not force you into relying on the power game. Instead, it allows you to control the tempo of the match and find the best rhythm. Another essential technology implemented in the T-Fight 305 Isoflex is the Isoflex technology. From the practical point of view, the technology guarantees that the ball will respond in a consistent way no matter where on the strings it lands, providing additional stability and accuracy. It has a smooth and relatively firm texture without being hard. You will notice an element of feedback, allowing you to gauge precisely what you have done when hitting the ball. Such characteristics are perfect for experienced players, since they can quickly adapt their techniques while remaining consistent. Number 3. The Headspeed MP 2024 is one of those rackets that won't seek to take control of your game. On the contrary, it will adjust to your style and provide you with exactly the balance you need. Indeed, the best way to describe this racket is probably to say that it is extremely balanced and fast, making it ideal for all players seeking the perfect compromise between power and control. As soon as you get started with this racket, the thing you will notice above all else is just how easy it is to use. Indeed, there is a certain whippy feeling to this racket, which allows you to move fast whenever you need to. In terms of its specifications, the Speed MP 2024 comes equipped with a 100 square inch head size, weighs 300 grams when unstrung, and uses a 16 by 19 stringing pattern. This setup is aimed to provide the user with the best of both worlds and to offer an optimal blend of control, power, and spin. As far as the feel goes, Head's Auxetic 2.0 technology ensures that the racket provides the player with a very good and clear sensation upon ball impact. The racket feels crisp, with only moderate vibrations that don't obscure the feel of impact and help the player understand how his shot will fly. Number 4. The Wilson Blade 98 isn't a racket designed to do the work for you. This is a racket that is designed for the player who wants to have control over their game. As soon as you start using this racket, you'll know exactly why that's its identity. With the very first swing, you can already tell that this racket has something special about it. The ball doesn't simply hit the strings and then fly off of them into another direction. With the blade, it feels as if it is almost stuck on the strings for an extra second to let you really make sure that you hit your shot perfectly. Ultimately, the Blade 98 is built with the following specifications: 98 square inch head size and a thin beam. As per the generation, it can come in either of the two patterns, 16 by 19 or 18 by 20, meaning the racket is meant for those players who are looking for either better spin or better control. One of the greatest characteristics of the Blade series is undoubtedly the feel. With the introduction of innovative technology such as 45 degrees used in the newest models, the Blade feels much more dynamic than most power-oriented rackets due to increased flexibility. Number 5. The Yonex E-Zone 100 is one of those rackets that make tennis seem more accessible from the moment that you start playing with it. Not because they simplify the sport, but because of the immediate sense of confidence, ease, and control that they provide. The E-Zone 100 provides the type of playability that allows players to focus on winning rather than struggling with their equipment. Right from the first stroke, it becomes clear how comfortable and forgiving the E-Zone 100 is in action. The ball bounces off of the strings with liveliness and pace, but there is no need to hit shots perfectly in order to generate these effects. Instead, the E-Zone 100 encourages players to be consistent even when their stroke technique is not optimal. In terms of its key parameters, the E-Zone 100 features a head size of 100 square inches, weight of 300 grams unstrung, and a 16 by 19 string pattern. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, so thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and connect with us for the latest technology and review. We receive motivation of your feedback. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.